Hi guys, Marcel here with a Little Fish in the Kitchen blog. We are back home. We took our big road trip to Arkansas and we are back here. We're back home. My kids have started school. It just, I don't know about you guys, but it always feels good to me to get back into a routine, to have a regular schedule going for a little while. And then of course by next summer I'll be super ready to have no regular schedule for a while. You know, the grass is always greener kind of thing going on. But we're home now and it is hot. It is the end of August and it's just hot outside. It's like 100 degrees every day, anywhere from 40 to 50% humidity. And so we've been focusing a lot in the middle of the afternoon when my kids get home from school. We've been focusing a lot on cold drinks and hydration, and truthfully I've been spoiling them a little bit. We've been doing a lot of blender style drinks, we've been doing a lot of homemade milkshakes and smoothies, and today you're going to make this with me. I am making them a homemade batch of a Copycat Orange Julius. And if you are familiar with Orange Julius and you're a fan, you know just how good it is. It's so good. I'm a big fan, obviously, and if you're unfamiliar with Orange Julius, it is basically an orange juice and milk smoothie, and you put a little bit extra sugar and some vanilla, and we're going to go over all the ingredients here in just a minute, but it's really good. If you've never had an Orange Julius before, well, of course you can try this recipe I'm going to share with you. But the original, the real Orange Julius, it's a company that's owned by Dairy Queen now, and so you can actually go get the real Orange Julius products at your local Dairy Queen if you have one. And if you don't have a Dairy Queen near you, well then of course you're about to have this recipe and you can make one for yourself. But they're really good, they're great on hot days, and I think these actually, they're a good after school treat, but they're a really good like dessert drink. And so let's go ahead and have a look at my little prep table and see what we need to do to put together our luscious Copycat Orange Julius today. Okay guys, well here's everything we need to put together our Copycat Orange Julius today. Here we have 1 cup of milk. I'm just using 1% milk. That's what we keep around in our fridge. This is concentrated orange juice. It was previously frozen and I thawed it out. This is 6 ounces, which is of course half of a 12-ounce container. 2 cups of ice. And we've got 1 cup of water. Then we're going to add in a little bit of vanilla extract and just a teensy little bit of almond extract, and then our sugar. And so I'm hoping you can see well enough. I'm going to go ahead and just put everything together in the blender. I'm actually going to put our ice in first. Let's try not to make too big of a mess. And I just made a mess, but that's okay. And so I'm going to go in with the water and our milk, orange juice, and then here's our sugar trying to hide over here. Go ahead and put that in. Now the vanilla, I am going to put a full teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to do it off to the side because I don't want to get too much in there. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then I'm just going to put a little 1/8 teaspoon, which is of course half of a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. So just kind of have to be a little careful. Almond extract is really strong in my opinion, so you don't need a whole bunch of it. It definitely adds some good flavor to this Orange Julius, this smoothie. Alright, so I'm going to put my cap on, and we're going to give this a whirl in the blender just for about 30 seconds to a minute, and we'll open it up and we'll have some frothy, creamy Orange Julius. Alright, so we're going to hit this right. Alright, well there we go. I let this all go for about a minute, and you can see from the side it's nice and thick and frothy. Frothy is just the word that comes to mind when we're talking about Orange Julius. I'm not really sure why, but it is. So we're going to open that up. It smells so good. You can smell the orange and the vanilla all mixed up in there. You can actually kind of smell the sweetness too in an odd way, but here we go. I'm not sure how well you can see with this light I've got here, but it's a nice picture of sweet, delicious Copycat Orange Julius. I'm going to put this in the fridge now and save it for when my kids get home, and after they get home in about an hour or so, I'm going to pop it back onto the blender motor here and let it go for another 30 seconds to a minute. Get it nice and smooth again. Alright guys, well that's really it. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe for this super easy Copycat Orange Julius. I decided to go ahead and taste test this batch before my kids get home. I mean, what kind of mother would I be if I didn't taste test this batch for them? And I hope you can see how creamy this drink got in the blender. Oh, it's so good. You smell it. You can smell the orange and you can smell the vanilla. It's truly like an addicting thing. It's so good. I hope you try it. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. If you are one of my subscribers, thank you so much for coming and watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll get a notification every time I upload. It'd be great to see you here. I'll see you guys in another video again real soon. Y'all have a great night.